How to add ROMs to PowKiddy RGB20S. Prepare your PowKiddy RGB20S. Ensure that your device is fully charged before starting. Turn off the device safely by holding the R3 button and pressing the power button. Remove the microSD card. Locate the SD card on the left side of your PowKiddy RGB20S, labeled TF2 or Game. Eject the SD card carefully and insert it into an SD card reader. Connect the SD card to a computer. Plug the SD card reader into a computer, Windows preferred for better visibility. Open the SD card folder to see preloaded game system folders. Locate the game system folders. You'll see several game system folders in the SD card that may not appear on the PowKiddy's home screen because they are hidden. For example, to add a PS1 game, look for the PSX folder. Download the ROM files. Search for ROMs, game files, of the games you want to add. Ensure they are compatible with the PowKiddy RGB20S and match the correct system. SNES PSX. ROM files often come in compressed formats like ZIP or 7Z. Unpack or extract these files using an extraction tool on your computer. Transfer ROM files. After extracting the ROM files, place them into their corresponding game system folder. For example, place a PS1 ROM in the PSX folder. Ensure each ROM file is in the right folder to avoid compatibility issues. Check file format compatibility. Some game systems may require specific ROM formats. Check for compatibility with the PowKiddy system or ArcOS. Safely eject the SD card. Once all ROM files are copied to the SD card, safely eject the card from your computer. Insert the SD card back into the PowKiddy RGB20S. Turn on the device and verify. Power on the PowKiddy RGB20S. Scroll through the game system list, and you should see new game systems or newly added games appear on the home screen. Open an emulator for the specific game console, load the ROMs and start playing. Consider SD card quality. If you encounter issues, consider using a new SD card, as some users report failures with pre-installed cards.